Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn of JessicaLynnOriginal, and I am so excited. What an amazing January we have had. It has been just so fast, so much going on, personally, work, stamp company, etc., children's books, all of the above. So things are happening and shaking, and I am so glad to come back on here and give you guys an update. First thing I wanted to do, that I wanted to make a new video to share with you guys. I got an amazing gift card for Christmas from Amy, who is one of our guests on Behind the Card. Didn't have to do it, but what an amazing surprise. It means so much to me, and she is just such a sweetheart. She gave me a gift certificate for A Colorful Life, and A Colorful Life Designs does a lot of stencils. And it's funny because her and I, how we started talking was I had saw her on Instagram, and one of the things I commented on was these clouds that she made in her cards, and I said, oh my gosh, like it had just had it was a point where we had some things going on at home, and there's the clouds right there, that cloud edger, and I was like, it felt right. It was exactly the card I needed to see at that moment. And that's what I love about art, is that art is like that, you know, where sometimes you can see a card or something and it makes you just go, oh, like that. Look at how beautiful. Like, that's just so gorgeous. Like, it sort of has that, you know, the sun shines on the other side. It might be a little dark now, but it felt like the right card. So her and I started talking. And again, she became a good friend of mine, went on my Behind the Card show, and for Christmas, she gave me a gift card and said, go get that cloud edger, because I want to see what you make. And I decided, you know what? Today's the day. We're going to go ahead. We're going to go shop. Oh, I forgot. I should have got that one too. Love those waves. They look like Moana. Like, it was so pretty. Obviously, I mean, I could purchase every single one of them and they all still not be enough. One of my goals, and I said it sometime I think in October for 2021, is that I want to go through and start using all of the products that I purchased. I have a ton of people that I've worked with, and I have a ton of products that I just have hanging out here, staring at me, waving at me, saying, Jessica, let's make something. And that's my goal for 2021. I mean, I'm not saying I'm not going to buy new stuff, because I will. And I'm not saying I'm not going to make new stuff, because I will. But what I'm saying is that I just want to try and go through and design some new things. And that's why, if you've seen my channel, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. There's a big red button that says subscribe. Costs nothing. And then you get reminders whenever we do fun videos. If you've already been with our channel, you know that over the last couple of months, I have been doing quite a few videos featuring other companies' stamps, because they were products that I just had in my office. So why not? You know, I love showing that stuff off. And I love designing, and you know, everybody has different levels of skill, and for me, the more that I work with it, the better I have been getting. So I love this store. I mean, I literally spent, like, you see this 10 minutes, add about another 20, and you'll see how much time I actually spent on there. And every time I was like, ooh, I can make that. Ooh, I can make something with that. Ooh, I can make something with that. And for me, when I do purchase products, I try and think, are there at least maybe 5 or 10 different things, maybe, well, probably less than that, maybe like 2 or 3 right off the bat, that I can think of right away that I could make with the card, or with the stencil, or the stamp, or whatever. And if I can come up with that, then I'm interested. And like, when I design my stamps, I always try and provide enough sentiments that it's more than just a birthday set, or it's more than just a dinosaur, or it's more than just Brentwood. So it's something that I've tried to do in my work too. And I fell in love with the brick. I bought it right away. That was the first one I put in the cart. Boom, right there. Gorgeous. I mean, honestly, every single one of them, absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I will put the link down below to her store. But again, Amy, thank you so much. Just such cute stencils. Like, I could see the butterfly, gorgeous. I love the candles. Like, you could literally just put like a happy birthday sentiment in front of it, do my stenciling, and what an easy card. That one looks like you're going to Chili's, like, hey, I want to invite you out to go to dinner. So cute though. Oh my goodness, there's the cloud. I love the cloud. Ooh, Coffee Lovers Blog Hop coming soon, guys, so be ready for that. Just gorgeous. I love it. Now, one of the things that I was totally intrigued by on her website, I was flipping through all these pages trying to decide what I want. Custom stencils. What? Oh, and that little pop-up, I just finished a video. Sorry about that. But custom stencils? It says, okay, have a stencil made to your own design, text, or logo. What? So I think that I'm going to need to order a custom stencil from her. It says, contact her directly to get a custom order set up. Yes. Yes, please. So I think maybe I'll see if she can do like a 6x6. That maybe she could do like my JessicaLynnOriginal Studios in like a larger size, and then maybe a smaller one. Oh my gosh, that would be amazing. Oh my gosh, my brain has just like flurried with ideas. Oh my goodness. That's exciting. So, well, now I've got something new to think about. See, every time I go and I look at other people's stores and I kind of adventure around, it's so exciting to see what everybody is working on. I'm going to order this one too, because I love. But one of the reasons that Amy gifted me this was she knows that I'm currently working on my first children's book. It is a much longer process. I have been working on it pretty seriously now for a couple of months. It takes a lot longer than you would think. There's a lot of dot your I's, cross your T's that you gotta do. And I just want to make sure that I do them all. You know, unfortunately, the whole internet and the intrawebs and all the crazy fun, you know, there's so many people that'll steal your ideas and your designs. And so it's really important as a small business to go through and make sure that I have my story and my characters all set. And so working through all that, some pieces are easier than others, but I'm just making sure, having people review everything. And then once we're there, I've already started kind of baselining how my characters are going to look. So that is coming really soon. So I cannot wait. Love the birthday ones too. So cute. I am also working on a bunch of new stamp designs. Currently, to make sure that I'm still providing new art and new excitement for everyone, one of the things not only am I doing here with this channel on YouTube is trying to do new videos and everything, but I also have a digital club. So if you see down below the digital club, there's a little join button. If you click on that, you'll see on there's a price. You want to make sure you join the digital stamp club version to make sure that you get the stamps. And what I do is I make videos actually for those design team members. I just finished one today. Ooh, those look all Walking Dead. That's kind of fun. I just did one today where I'm showing just some quick doodling, nothing fancy, but I actually make them a limited edition digital stamp that only those members can get to. So it's fun. Like, it's so much fun. Last month we did a carousel horse, and so adorable. I love it. It's so much fun. And so I put out a video today for those members. Again, all you got to do is click the join and join, and you can unjoin, you know, so join for a month or two, you know, and then maybe over the summer you don't. Kind of like Netflix, right? You subscribe when you need it, and then when you don't have to. But we're going through and just finding out what designs they want, and I'll be drawing those up very soon. So all right, I'm going to go ahead and get everything in the shopping cart, and then I'll be right back. All right, well, I cannot wait to get these. It says when I went and checked out, now I know I'm showing the video of me still ordering. I am going to order these leaves. I think they've got lots of purposes, so I really like that. Yeah, I think that's going to be a good set. I'm excited about this one too. I went ahead and checked out, and it said obviously because of current conditions, it could take a little bit longer for shipping. But that's fine. Once I go ahead, so you can see I ordered the brick wall, the cloud, the hearts, and the leaves. So perfect. Lots of perfect multiple use products that I can't wait to use these stencils. I'm really excited. So once I get them, I'm going to go ahead and I think I'll make a video and show them off. I can't wait. Again, my name is Jessica Lynn. I am the owner of JessicaLynnOriginal.com, Jessica Lynn Original Studios, where we're going to be now featuring a lot of art and other stuff I do. So be sure to subscribe here and don't forget to check out our website. Take care.